Okay. So read CSV to the path. Okay, and then if you have tab data, you have to use separator equal to sep equal to backslash t, and then if there is no column names in the data file, then you have to specify header equal to none and the column name. So now read a column as row index label. So if the ID needs to be, the ID column needs to be the index, then you specify index call equal to ID. So that will automatically read that column as the index. Now you can skip rows and skip columns. Okay, that is especially useful when you have some extraneous information in the data file, right? So if you have, let's see, this is going to be ex2 CSV. So let's look at that file, ex2 CSV. Okay, so here is the file. See, it has some titles. Okay. MGT 3860, and this is an example for chapter 6, and then you have comma, 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 and then your column names and the data, and then you have some stuff at the bottom. Okay, so you need to be able to tell the reader that, well, okay, don't worry about the first 3 rows, skip those, and then of course after that you have the column name, so you don't have to say header equal to none, because you have header, and then we want to skip the last 2 rows. So here is the source, skip rows 3, that's at the top. Now you're going to promote index call ID, and then we have skip footer 2, and here the engine Python, it makes it, okay, let's see, without engine it's going to give you a warning. It'll read it, but so it's a parser warning, so it's going to, the Python engine does it, does not support skip footer and all that. So engine Python means it's going to use the Python engine to read the data, and you're not going to get the error, the warning message. Okay, so now it skipped the first 3 rows, it skipped the last 3 rows, and skip rows, last 2 rows, and then, okay. All right, so I'm going to jump over to your turn. Okay, then we'll come back and do all the other lines of code next time. But let's do this question number 1. Read heart.csv properly into the data frame. So you say PD read CSV, right? My data is here, heart.csv. Okay, I have to provide that in like this. So then it has all kinds of nonsense here. Okay. Well, so what we have to do is to open the file in a text editor. Okay, so I have to change this to all files so I can look at everything. Heart, that's your CSV file. Okay. There are 2 files with the name heart. Okay, this one is an Excel worksheet. This one is the comma separated values file. Now, if you open it and you see there is a whole bunch of stuff at the beginning. Okay. The actual data starts from here. So, how many rows should we skip? Okay, so we can try trial and error and see. Skip rows equal to say 18. Wow, I got it in the first try. So skip 18 will skip all of that. Now, but at the bottom, the last line is, I don't know, 302 looks like it. And then we have all this nonsense. So again, go back here and then see how many lines you want to skip. 1, 2, 3. So that is skip footer. Skip footer equal to 3. Okay. So, and then I guess engine equal to Python will suppress the. So is that the last 302 is 57 over? Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you need to open it in the text file and see what's going on and adjust accordingly. All right, thank you. I'll see you Thursday.